Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you how to put on fake nails that won't come off throughout the day. For those of you who can't usually do gel polish but enjoying wearing fake nails only on weekends, have you ever had the experience of having them come right off? Even if you use double-sided tape to attach them, there's a trick to make the tip less likely to come off. We'll be providing you a lot of information about fake nails, such as how to attach them so they don't come off easily and how to remove them. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. First, let's look at how to choose the size of your fake nails. This time, we'll be using this set of fake nails. With these sets, there are different sizes of tips from large to small. Choose the size that fits your nail width perfectly. When you're not sure which size to choose, choose a size that's a little smaller than the larger tip. If you choose a larger size, the tip will hit the skin around your nail and will be more likely to come off. Therefore, if you can't find the exact size, choose a smaller size. This will make your nails look thinner and longer, and they will be less likely to peel off. Once you have chosen the tip that fits your nail size, prepare your nail before applying it. The trick to making the tip less likely to peel off when applying it with double-sided tape is in this preparation. Just like the preparation before applying gel polish, it is to remove the oil from the surface of the nail. If you apply the fake nail with tape without doing anything, the tip will come off with a slight impact because this oil gets in the way. There is always oil such as sebum on the surface of your skin. This oil will also get on your nails. So first, wipe off the oil thoroughly. Spray a small piece of kitchen paper with ethanol and wipe off the surface of your nail. Wipe thoroughly all the way to the edge of the nail. If you wipe it thoroughly, the surface of the nail will turn slightly whitish. Now you're ready to apply the tip. Now, let's attach the tip to your nail. Attach it with double-sided tape for fake nails. Again, to prevent the fake nail from coming off, lightly wipe the inside of the tip with ethanol before applying the double-sided tape. This will make it even more difficult to come off. First, choose the size of double-sided tape that matches the tip you are applying it to. Choose one that is slightly narrower than the exact width of the tip. Once you have chosen it, use tweezers to peel the sticker off the backing. If you touch it directly with your hands, the oil from your hands will get on the sticker and make it easier to peel off. In order to make it harder to peel off, it is important to avoid getting oil on the sticker, so try not to touch your nail or the sticker directly with your hands. After peeling off the backing, fold the double-sided tape in half with the sticky side facing outward. Place the folded sticker near the base of the tip and apply it. Once applied, first, use tweezers to firmly attach the center of the sticker. Then, press it firmly on the outside while removing the air. And this time, if the sticker protrudes from the tip, do not leave it as it is, but cut off only the part that protrudes with scissors. Once applied, peel off the other backing. And here is another tip to make it harder to come off. It is to warm the sticker with a hair dryer. Turn the hair dryer to hot air and warm it for about 10 seconds. Especially in winter, the cold weather weakens the adhesive strength of the double-sided tape and make it easier to peel off, so heating it in advance will ensure a firm adhesion. After heating the double-sided tape, attach the tip to the nail. First, attach only the base of the tip to the base of your natural nail. At this stage, look at the nail from directly above and adjust the position so that the tip is attached straight to the finger bone so that you don't attach the tip at an angle. Once it is straight, slowly tilt it towards the tip while releasing the air. Once it is tilted to the tip, press the entire nail to make sure it adheres firmly. This completes the process. Since the oil has been thoroughly removed, it is firmly attached. It is difficult to come off with a slight impact, so you can keep it in this state for a whole day. Finally, we will introduce how to remove the fake nails. Double-sided tape has the disadvantage of being weak against water, so it is easy and recommended to take advantage of this disadvantage to remove it. Prepare hot water at about body temperature and put your hands in it. After soaking for about 2 to 3 minutes, use a wooden stick to pour hot water into the gap between the double-sided tape and your natural nail to create a gap. When the tip starts to wobble, hold the tip in your hand and move it slowly from side to side. This will allow you to easily remove the tip. The used fake nails can be used repeatedly by removing the tape, wiping off the hot water, and storing them. How did you like the method for applying fake nails so they don't come off? Even if you do not usually do gel polish, you can easily apply fake nails and enjoy nails for just one day. Why not try wearing fake nails only on the weekend? Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.